at the Basic Barbecue Backyard Series 2000. This is the 5th annual. Got a lot of ripping skating going on today. All right, backyard pools have been around for a long time in the 70s. And I'll tell you, Steve Alba won the first pro pool contest back in 1978, 22 years ago. He's here today. And the whole thing with pools is it's all about style and speed and fun. It's like riding a roller coaster, only you're in control.
Talk session with Omar Hassan.
What we got here today is it's a Clover Bowl. There's a 7-foot section, a 4-foot section, and a 10-foot deep section. Just a friendly type, community backyard contest.
We start out with the Pee Wee division, then we went on to the amateurs. We had the old men division on the no concave Alba board, the Alba Challenge. And now here we are with the big name pro riders for the finals.
It's kind of nice for an old guy like me, 37, wife, 2 kids, still out here doing my deal, having fun with all the friends and all the bros. Just to be a part of like a tradition that's been around for 30 years. And I'm just one of the practitioners. I do lines that nobody can do, and kind of when you ride pools, I guess that's what it's all about. I just do it because I love it, and I have a passion for skating that like most people don't have. So I gotta skate all the time, otherwise I just go crazy. So that's just the beauty about pool skating.
Hey, how about a round of applause for these guys are going full speed ahead, pedal to the metal. This guy had the best trick in the contest. Omar Hassan jumped off the roof into the pool. He got $500 for second place. Let's hear it for Omar Hassan. How about a big round of applause for Steve Alba, Screaming Lord Salva, taking a big win.